Alright, let's change ringtone or set custom ringtone on your Xiaomi Poco X8 Pro. It's actually very quick and easy to handle. Just follow the steps on your screen carefully and your ringtone will be updated. If you find this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Let's begin.